Hi, this is Mark with AFT Construction, and we are here at Worth the Wait, and we're going to take a look at the stucco process. So here we are on a flat part of the roof, so we're not in any danger here. This right here is the finished stucco coat. This is actually a fine pebble, sanded pebble fine. So it does have a little bit of smoothness to it, but it also does have the texture to it. And this is the integrated color into the stucco. Super white, super bright, and looks very clean. So a different part of the roof here, you can see the difference between the finished coat and the primed coat. The primer is the third step in the process. It goes from scratch coat to brown coat, and then a primer, and then the finish coat. So there's actually 4 steps involved to get this achieved smoother texture. The primer, they applied this yesterday, and today they're putting on the finish coat all around the roof edges. That way I can get my roofer to come in and he can put all his metal on the edges here and then continue on with installing his roof tiles. Okay, so let's talk about the actual stucco process, being 4 steps on this particular house. After the lath, the chicken wire, the foam, we have 4 steps. The first step being the scratch coat. The scratch coat gets applied throughout the whole exterior of the house. Then they typically wait 2 weeks. Once that's cured, they come back and they do any grinding they need, any little hairline cracks, and then the base coat, which is also known as the brown coat, is applied all around the exterior. Everything gets brown coated, and then after the brown coat, they go in with the primer. The primer is the white area that you're seeing, and that is also helps the stucco bond to the surface. So not only base primer, so the white doesn't show through any little speckles of the gray. It's also, it makes the stucco adhere better to the walls. And then after that, they apply the final coat of stucco, which is all hand troweled onto the walls. Okay, one thing to notice here, we're still up on the roof here, and you can kind of just see the craftsmanship of how nice these lines are, where it transitions from stucco to limestone around the windows. This is a part that nobody really would ever see close, but you know, the guys take pride in their work, and you know, they want to make sure we have nice lines around all the windows, doors, etc. We are currently on the east side of the house. You can see this pretty long house here. This is the 3rd step in the process of stucco. That is the primer that is waiting for the final coat, which should be getting applied in the next few days. Next time we're looking at this, hopefully all this scaffolding is gone. The stucco's done. You'll be able to see all the different finishes of the house, the limestone, the stone, the stucco, and that should look pretty nice. So thanks for checking us out here at Worth the Wait, and I'm Mark with AFT Construction, and keep on watching.